Hello guys, kumusta kayo? Ngayong maaga dito sa Amerika ay meron akong ipakita sa inyo. Isang lutuan ito na hindi na tayo maggamit ng sobra karami sa mantika. So this is called an air fryer. Part 1 muna tayo, paano i-unbox. Mag-unbox tayo sa air fryer. Ang husband ko lang mag-unbox. So this is a digital air fryer which will show many things. Hindi ko pa ito nagamit, ngayon lang. And then later, I'll prepare something to have a test cooking in the air fryer. So I gave myself a gift for me this Christmas. I'm giving myself because I want a convenient cooking in the kitchen. I don't like to delay my work. So I just make use of this because I can do everything, warming my food, preparing the breakfast, lunch, and also dinner. So, mag-unbox muna tayo guys na. Just watch. Then, intro muna tayo. Intro. Thank you guys. Balik lang ako Hello guys. Good morning. We are going to have the unboxing of the new air fryer. This is the air fryer we ordered from the Amazon. Oh, I'm so excited. It's too big. Could be 5 quarts. Oh, they're so big. Oh,
It ought to be. It's made in China.
is that the best air fryer that I have seen? Wow! Tan tan tan! Oh, here's another box. We're using this one, the air fryer without oil. There are 100 recipes that the air fryer can cook. Big is the kind of, I never thought, oh, it's an innovative machine. It's lid with an easy-to-use LED screen. So this is digital with the smart functions available to your phone. Oh my! So I just use my phone to see and to open up while it's cooking. You just say it's ready. My phone will just tell me that it's ready. So this is it. You can save the machine. I think you have to place it. That's the instruction. Exciting. Wow. Now the last step, we could see the whole thing. Remove the cover. Wow, this is it. and to see the front view. You've got to remove everything here, the cover, read caution on back. So, number 1, hot, so we'll not have to touch anything. This is how it looks, guys. This is how the digital air fryer looks like. Oh, shaking basket. There's plastic inside. Make sure to pour out a separate basket. The basket. So the basket is this. This is how it looks like. So I've got to open the basket. So I was surprised because this is digital and it's for your time. Just only having the unboxing of the new air fryer, the digital one. Bye. Thank you so much. God bless. See you in the next video.